All right. So now we have the bottom of the bolt here, and we're going to get a couple patches, and we're just going to lay them down flat, and we're actually going to use this screwdriver, and we're just going to get into these small areas, and we're just going to work this around. Right here, we're on the side of the bolt. The screwdriver just fits perfectly. And some people like to use toothpicks, and I used to use toothpicks myself. I've just noticed over time when I found this screwdriver that it works a lot better. It's not going to break. I can just use a patch just as easily as I can use a toothpick. And the patch actually helps pick that dirt and lift it away from the surface, whereas if I'm using a toothpick, I'm just in there and it's kind of gunking up, and I'm actually just pushing it towards a corner. It's not pulling it away. So I just find this as a personal preference to be a little bit better. And remember, we've done a lot of our scrubbing, so a lot of this is just us picking up that dirt and the excess break free that we had in there. And remember, feel free to use as much time as you want or you need for your firearm. You know, me with this firearm, it just so happens that I'm here and this makes me the judge of this firearm, but you with your firearm is going to make you the judge with yours. And so if you feel you need to spend a little bit more time or you need to spend a little bit less time in an area, feel free to do it. It's not there's no rush or no problem with doing that.